in 2020. Knock, knock. I left my footsteps behind. Knock, my silent school block. Echoed downwind pierced my mind. My head wandered to time, 2020, in the middle of last year, when an outbreak of pandemic such spread the fear. Some people said no matter, just like usual. Some people call it a danger, sorely brutal. Later, men and women fell down like genocide by nature, victims in all around. Now on, we must realize one thing, that we ain't alone. Live side by side with this thing. Never let our fire dim, like a warship sailing into battle. Break the pandemic ring, reach herd immunity by struggle. As you, I do believe, disease will live in our new behavior, new life, new hope.